Hey guys, it's Will at Jordanbikes, and look what for sale today. It is a Kawasaki ZX10R and an extra R. This one, absolutely stunning bike, 2019 on a 19 plate, 4,061 miles it's done. Some cheeky extras on top of the standard bits and bobs that you get, such as the Brembos, they're standard on these, the forks, upgraded on these as well. Also they come with power modes. You got the launch control that you get with these, quickshifter, autoblipper, and obviously finished off in the winter test scheme on this. Absolute belter of a bike. Extras, it's got the acro can on there with the decap pipe, all titanium. You can see the bluing on the pipe, it looks stunning. They come with an all-in steering dampener. This one's also got the carbon fibre tank extender there, just so it's a bit more boxed in. Especially, it gives you a really racy feel, does that. Mega. Cracking bike. I'm going to give it a start up in a second to show you a little bit more around the bike itself. I've showed them exhaust on there. Showed them. Boosh. Loving it. Anyway, I'm going to give it a quick start up. Louder than my neighbour's mum screaming at her kids. Anyway guys, what an absolute belter of a bike. All you need to do, pop down to Jordanbikes, just give us a call. Cheers.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.